Hello, welcome to another swatching video. This is I'm trying to think which number this is now. Number 3 of my swatches. If you head over to my to the YouTube channel, you'll see the other 2 swatch videos I've done. And if you wanted to have a much more of a deeper dive into process, how I work, and much more behind the scenes of what I do as an artist and illustrator, please do head over to Substack and you will receive a discount code for Deep Deep Light. So if you're a free subscriber to my newsletter on Substack, you will receive 10% off, and paid members of my Substack, which is a much more in-depth space that you can come in, community space on Substack, you receive 15% off. So do have a look at sign up and have a look at those codes, so when you're next making a purchase it saves you a little bit, and also it helps support me in my practice. So today we are swatching winter birds, which I'm very excited about because it ties in beautifully with the theme for this month in Substack. So I'm filming this in December 2024, and the theme for this month is winter birds. So this felt like a really good one to swatch this month. And what I'll do, there's going to be 6 small swatches on here, just to see how you can get the real depth of the colour, and also how you can get this lovely kind of bleed out with water, so you can just get to see how they look and how they activate. And I'm doing this swatch on, this is 300 grams hot press smooth watercolour paper, and this is from Cass Art, and this is what I do all of my swatching on, and at the moment it's my preferred paper to use for finished pieces because it holds the watercolours really well. And yeah, keeping this very simple, what I will do is I will individually show you all the different colours, what's contained in this tin, and then I will switch to time lapse and you can see me putting down the paint. So I'm just going to show you before I start swatching. This is the tin that the paints come in. It's a lovely little silver tin. You can also use it if you were to travel and use these if you're on location and drawing outdoors. You could use this as a little mixing palette, really nice and light and portable. And these are what's inside. So beautifully wrapped, individually hand wrapped paints. And in here we have, so I'm going to just do them in this order. This is Great Tit, and this is a warm yellow. This is Green Woodpecker, and this is green with a yellow hint. This is Raven, and this is a lovely kind of greyish, it's described as blackish black, but I think it's kind of like a very dark grey. But you can lay all these up to make more richer, deeper colours. This one is a really beautiful pale, this is a pale blue, so this is Forest Pigeon, but I've found that you can layer these up really nicely and get quite a deep colour. Bullfinch, which is a beautiful soft red. It's very, I feel like it's quite warm, this one, I feel. And the last one is Partridge, which is a warm brown, but it does have really nice kind of mottling effect, and it just seems to have like a real variety of colour in there. So when I swatch it, you'll see, but it's yeah, this has got a lot. It's got a lot to it. This one, it's on the packaging. It looks quite brown, but actually it's got a lot of green in there and blue that kind of comes through. It's really beautiful. One of my favourites. So yeah, so what we'll do now is I will switch to time lapse and I will start swatching. watercolours that have been swatched and looking really nice, really lovely. But as you can see, as they dry, obviously it does change, the colours change. So I'm just going to kind of show you here. Yeah, the Partridge in particular has got real variety of tones. There's a lot of granulation in this one, so you can see there is a lot of blue kind of showing up here, and these kind of warm colours, and then it gets really dark. So yeah, this is beautiful. And the Raven is a really good one. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Yeah, the Raven has a lot of depth as well. You can just keep layering up. But yeah, all really beautiful. And the green woodpecker has got a lovely warm colour to it. It's like, sorry, yellow tint to it. See if we can get that nice and focused. Yeah, so really nice. There'll be a few photos as well that I'll take of this, and I will just jot down the names of them too. So yeah, I'm going to just show you this Partridge, because you can see there's a little bit of these little gold flecks in there, so you can see how it translates to the paint. Really nice. So yeah, so I'm going to just put some little labels on these, and then see if I can focus that. Yeah, put some labels on this, and this will be yeah, the third swatch, sorry. And then I've got a few more palettes to swatch, which will come in, which will you'll either get notifications on YouTube if you're a subscriber. The best place to be is Substack, because I provide much more information, more in-depth information there. So do head over. If you wanted to buy this set, it's 80, I believe it's 83 euros. And free subscribers to my newsletter receive 10% off, and off site-wide from Deep Deep Light. Paid members receive 15% off, and then I receive a little bit, which really helps me with my just helps support me as an artist. So thank you very much to anyone who has bought and used my discount codes. If you have any questions about this video, or if you've got any other there's any other colours you would like to see swatching, I have got a few some dots, some of these. So if anyone had any other colours they would like to see, please let me know. I have got quite a few of these different types of these little tester dots, as well as some other palettes that I'm still needing to swatch. So please let me know. Any questions about the paints at all, just drop me a comment or drop me a message on Substack. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again very soon. Bye.